Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Oppo K12x, and in this video I'm going to show you how to improve audio recording quality using Dolby On app on this device. Alright, so first to do this we have to open our Play Store because we have to get Dolby On from here. So I'm gonna search Dolby On. And now we have to install the app. As you can see, it's installed, so now we can open the app. Here we can skip, we don't have to create account. And now we can capture our audio with way better quality than default audio recorder. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!